Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer
Reindeer.
had a very shiny nose.
Like Dumbo.
And if you ever saw him,
Saw him.
you would even say it glows.
Like a light bulb.
All of the other reindeer
Reindeer.
used to laugh and call him names.
Like Dumbo.
They never let poor Rudolph
Rudolph.
join in any reindeer games.
Like Gumbo. Hiya.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Oh.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeers loved him
Love him.
as he shouted out with glee,
Whoopee.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer,
Reindeer.
you'll go down in his
His
story.
story. Let's do a accent over there. Hi.